Hey guys, it's Nya B, and today is such a very special episode. I'm renovating my bathroom today, and I'm honestly so excited. I had this whole idea just planned out for like weeks and months. Like, I just knew I wanted to make my whole bathroom pink. Something about just pink, it's just girly, it's very feminine, and it's just such a beautiful color. One thing that was really important to me when moving into my first home by myself is I want every room to have its own positive aura. I want it to feel super comfortable and super safe, and I just want to feel, I want to go into a room and be like, ooh, like I feel good, you know, like I just want it to have its own vibe. Because you know, when you're in a bathroom, you're showering, you're doing your feminine hygiene routines, you're brushing your teeth, you're getting dressed, doing your makeup, that's screaming pink. So that was the whole idea. I bought everything off of like Amazon and off of Shein. It all came in a couple days ago, and my very last package that I needed came in yesterday. So I'm like, today is literally the perfect time to go decorate my bathroom. So I'm gonna clean everything, and then I'm gonna take everything out the bathroom. That's the plan. As you see, I even wore pink today. Like, this is a special day. This is gonna be such a fun and cute video. So come join me in the bathroom. Okay guys, we have Mimi joining us. Mimi, say hi. Say hey, baby. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what my bathroom looks before. You can see it's just the gray decorations, very bland, very messy and unorganized. We're going to change all of this up. Like, it's gonna look so clean, porcelain, and nice. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning my sink off. The best way to clean any surface is to remove everything off of it and then clean. I'm gonna be using bleach to clean all the surfaces in my bathroom because I want everything squeaky clean. As of now, I'm just gonna take every single thing off, and as I'm taking everything out of my bathroom, I'm realizing, okay, my bathroom is not super dirty, but deep cleaning is definitely like a necessity that I need to start adding into like my schedules. I feel like there's 4 seasons in a year, so maybe I should deep clean my home 4 times a year. Just really get in between surfaces, take everything out and really clean, because there's a lot of like nooks and crannies that I've realized, like, okay, this has not been cleaned in clearly a while, and I need to work on that. And I feel like that's okay, you know. I have been living alone now for I've had my apartment for 3 years, but I've been living alone almost a year now, and it has been such a blessing. I've just learned how to be a responsible adult, how to take care of myself, you know, financially, mentally, physically, spiritually. And I think one of the best ways to really just appreciate your home is to clean it and to make it feel alive, you know. In front of an audience, like you was just another shorty, I put the naughty on, but now that I've been living alone for quite a while, I've really been trying to just make my apartment feel like a home. One thing I noticed is that I just only had like a couch, you know, a living room stand, and like, of course, just my bedroom furnished, but I didn't furnish any other parts of my apartment, and I didn't add any character to it. And it honestly, like, yes, it was my home, but it didn't feel homey. Like, it didn't feel like anybody lived here. Like, it looked like I was just like moving out at any point. So I made it a goal to really just decorate my home and make it feel very just me and homey, and I think I did that. Okay y'all, so I just got done deep cleaning my whole bathroom. It actually didn't take that long at all. It really just needed to be deep clean because I haven't deep cleaned my bathroom, like really got into like every little thing in a while. So now that that's done, it's finally time for the fun part. I'm actually about to start decorating. So let me show y'all everything I got as I'm putting it in the bathroom. I got all this stuff just for the bathroom, and as you can tell, it is all pink, and I'm just very, very excited. So let's just go straight into decorating. So in terms of my decorations, I got everything very affordable. I got a lot of my stuff from Amazon, and I got a lot of my stuff from Shein. I really wanted to make this project as affordable as possible. I didn't feel like decorating and breaking the bank was necessary. I just thought, okay, if I budget this, I could still make this look really good. And when y'all see the end result, like, I don't know, it just looked absolutely perfect, and I can't believe I did it with only using, like, I don't think I spent more than $130 on this project, guys. Like, everything was super affordable. Like, even the bathrobes, I think I spent a total of not even $20 on all of it together. And I don't know, I'm very proud of myself, you know. So this is proof, you know, at the end of this, that you can really like decorate and make your home look very nice and comfortable and just homey without spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Like, I did this on a budget, and the end results are just, they will speak for themselves. One thing that was really exciting that I wanted to prove to myself was that I can decorate without needing such a high-end or really like pretty looking, aesthetically pleasing looking apartment. When I look online or when I'm looking for inspiration on Pinterest, everybody's like foundation, like how their apartment already comes looking, it's always very nice. And for me, I'm just like, okay, my space, you know, it's on the affordable side, so not everything is perfect, but I really just wanted to prove to myself that even though I don't have anything super crazy, like fancy, you know, I can still make my apartment look really, really cool. So I think this project was like really helpful in me figuring out like, hey, I don't need to have what everybody else has to have an awesome looking place.
Okay, y'all, so it's like halfway done and I just want to check in with y'all because it is looking so good. Like the pink just gave me so happy. For like the longest time since I was like a little girl, I've always wanted a girly bathroom, but because I've always had roommates, it's just like I could never creatively design the apartment the way I wanted to. But baby girl, almost for the last half year I've been living alone and I absolutely have all 100% creative input in how I want to decorate my apartment, and it's giving. So I love the little jewels I put up here. It just adds a little bit of like bling. Like I really like that part. And let me show you all the rugs. As y'all can see, Mimi is already having a field day. But yeah, so this is what it's looking right now. It's giving very pink, very cutesy. Yeah, I'm really liking it. Okay, since I have all the main things added in, like the rugs and the curtains, I'm gonna start actually decorating, and this is actually gonna tie a lot of things together. Because right now, if I really wanted to, I could just go add my personal things in here and I would still technically have a very pink bathroom, but I feel like the little itty decorations really just tie things together. Like it adds a lot of vibrancy and personality, and that's really what I wanted to add. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking and get straight into decorating my bathroom.
Okay, this is like the exciting part for me because now I'm about to add the decorations that I brought, and y'all, they're so cute. So I have my bath mat. I brought some flowers to just put in the bathroom and a lot of different things as well. I wanted to go for like a pink theme, but I wanted it to be a little bit naturey too. I feel like whenever you just have a home, this is just my personal opinion, I need plants, I need flowers, I need to know that nature is still within me, even between my closed walls of my home. Like for something, I just like to feel in tune with nature without leaving my home, you know what I mean? So of course I brought a whole bunch of just fake plants because, you know, they could just sit there and look pretty. They don't need to be watered, they don't need to be in the sun. So that's what I went for, and when I'm telling you, it just added so much like just character into my decorations, into my theme of my bathroom. Like I absolutely just love it. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this. And I always wanted to put like one of these on my shower heads. You can get real ones that actually like give off like the essential smells. Like you can get like lavender, you can get like peppermint, I don't know, and they're really good. I just got a fake one because yeah, why not? Maybe I'll get a real one in the future, I'm not sure. And oh my gosh, guys, these little sticky things, these adhesives, they are so good. I don't think I've spent more than $3 on a whole 4-pack of these. They are amazing. When I was just getting my apartment, I was looking for something very strong like these, and I would get them from like the Family Dollar, Dollar General, or on Amazon, and whenever it would be hot, they would just fall off. I got these from Shein. Not only are they so cute, they stick on so good, like to the point when I think I move out one day, I might take the paint with me. Like they're so good and they just look amazing. Like it's just little things like that really pull in, you know, the decorations and just the vibe, the personal vibe that you're going with. And I love this purchase so much. Also just wanted to add, I don't want to freak anybody out, I had to wrap my hand. I had cut myself and I was bleeding. So if you just see me like, yo, why is her hand like wrapped up like out of nowhere, that's why. Didn't want to scare y'all. So I got these like fake flowers off of Shein in the vase, and y'all, it's beautiful, isn't it? It just makes everything like look really good. And I got this like fake little flower thing. I'll put that on my sink too. And then I got this little soap dispenser, and I'm gonna put like my body wash in there because, girl, I don't know, like it was there and why not. And I got the Dove like mango coconut, and girl, It smells so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. And then I got these towels and washcloths off of Amazon. I think I spent like $13 on this, and of course it matched the theme. Had to get it. Always wanted a pink towel and washcloth set, and I finally got it. I'm living out my 15-year-old's dream. And then, girl, just to tie it all together, I had to get the bathrobe, the silky bathrobe, because, you know, after I dry off and I'm out the shower, I want to put on a robe. I want to just feel, you know, good, luxurious. So I had to get that. And y'all, this is what it looks like. Mind you, this is what it looks like before I added all my personal things, and it already looks so good. Whew. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my bathroom, and holy cow, does it look so good. Like, I'm just like, I know this has been my vision, and it came out way better than expected. Of course, I don't have a very high-end apartment, meaning I don't have a very high-end bathroom, so decorating was really important to me because I still want to feel like I'm living like luxurious in a way without breaking the bank. Rent is expensive out here, y'all. But yeah, so that's it. So now I'm just gonna add my personal stuff in there, like my loofah, my razor, my body wash, my hair stuff, just to make it come together, because realistically I'm gonna have all that stuff in there. So let me go put it in real quick. So now this is the last and final part. I'm just going to add my shampoo, conditioners, you know, my scrubs, my body wash, and then of course the stuff I use, you know, for my face, and then my hair stuff, because I usually do like anything for my hair and my face like in my bathroom. And yeah, it wasn't a lot. I tried purposely to just not put a lot in my bathroom because I always think less is more. And this is the final look. And I'm just so in love. Honestly, this is just something I've been working on and in the works of, you know, planning for weeks. And, you know, when you just have a vision and you bring it to life, it is one of the best feelings ever, I'm telling you. And whoa, like if you guys look at the before and after, like this is just a drastic change. Giving all the glory to God. I'm just so thankful. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much if you got to the end of this. I've been wanting to do this project for so long, and I'm just so happy that it's finally done. And I'm very excited to just be able to enjoy my bathroom tonight, my pretty pink bathroom. And yeah, I'm just like, this is just a dream I've been wanting to like give myself for a while. Having my own place and being able to just do what I want with it, it's just one of the best blessings like ever. So I just want to thank you guys again, and I will see y'all all in the next video. Bye.